think there's two things. I think one thing that has given me the courage is knowing I have that support network. When I took my career breaks, I'll tell my mother and my father, my mum and dad, and they'll always support me, and they have supported me when I go off and volunteer. I also volunteered a year in Thailand, and obviously when I'm volunteering, I have not much income, and so my parents would always be, go chase it, and we're here if you need a place to sleep. And I think having the support network is one that gives me the courage and ability to chase that. I think the second one comes back to my story of there was a time when I called that kids helpline and someone helped me, and if I now have that ability to help someone else, I know how important that is to, that simple phone call really changed the trajectory of what I do now. And if I can help others, do the same, that's what gets me excited about life.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below, and we'll see you in the next clip.